Think your anxiety medication is harmless? What if it could actually make things worse or even trap you? Ativan, known medically as lorazepam, offers quick relief for anxiety. But before you rely on this powerful medication, it's crucial to understand its hidden dangers. Today, we'll uncover the three key risks you absolutely need to know and address the big question: is Ativan truly addictive? Many turn to Ativan for its rapid calming effect on anxiety, panic attacks, or even certain seizures. It works by slowing down brain activity, offering a much-needed pause from overwhelming stress. However, this powerful action comes with significant downsides. First, extreme drowsiness and dizziness are common, making daily tasks like driving dangerous and increasing your risk of falls. Second, some users experience memory problems or confusion, especially with prolonged use, struggling to recall recent events or think clearly. The third major risk, and perhaps the most concerning, centers on its potential for dependence and addiction. When used for more than a few weeks, your body can become physically dependent on Ativan. Stopping suddenly can trigger severe withdrawal symptoms like rebound anxiety, insomnia, tremors, and even seizures. This isn't just about feeling uncomfortable. It's a serious medical challenge. Yes, Ativan is addictive, meaning you can develop both a physical need and a psychological craving for the drug, making it incredibly difficult to stop without professional help. Understanding these risks is vital for anyone considering or currently taking this medication. To learn more about managing anxiety without medication, check out our next video right here.